Good morning, good afternoon. More live sourcing. I'm still in Japan, but I still want to do the live sourcing for you guys. We haven't looked at Arbitrage Talker just yet. If you do not know what I'm talking about, right? For these last few days, I've been doing sourcing almost daily right here on YouTube to show you that you can find profitable products for your online arbitrage business on Amazon FBA really, really fast. It's not a business that is supposed to take you like 8 hours a day to work on, because like you'll see how fast we're going to find a product, right? So yeah, we're going to go straight into it. If you do not know me, my name is Chris Mangunza. I release daily videos right here on YouTube to help you with your Amazon business. So if you're new, subscribe. All right, so let's get into it. As you can see, once again, nothing prepared. I just logged in on Arbitrage Talker, right? And we are going to look at what new products popped up. If you don't know what Arbitrage Talker is, it's a software to help you track people to receive notification whenever they add a new product into their storefront. Okay, so we're going to look into it. And if you remember correctly, right, we did create a monitor together, right here, 30-day challenge, and descending, boom, here we go, and boom, here we go. So we have product from people that we added to the monitor. If you do not remember that, or if you haven't seen it, watch previous videos. All right, so January 22nd, 8 p.m. Okay, so it's the 23rd here. I'm still in Japan, but like it's today. So these are the last products, okay? So we're just going to look at it. I'm going to skip products with high sales rank. I'm going to go straight to products with low sales rank, 37,000, but it's in groceries. So yeah, it may not be as good. I mean, it's selling. All right, it's selling. We need to find this at $3-4. It would be great. If we do, we are cooking. It doesn't look like we can get them at this price. I'm still going to log in onto my VPN so I get US results. Realities of running a business from outside of the US. Most of your gurus don't know that, because by the way, they're telling you that, yeah, you can run this business from anywhere in the world, and they're still stuck in Idaho. You wonder why. But yeah, let's log in into this VPN that is not logging in. I'll post this until it gets logged in. Yeah, the VPN is not working. That's fine. I'm just going to look at, that's fine. Russell Stover sometimes sells at Walgreens, whatever. Let me see if I can. Yeah, I don't find the exact one. Assorted fruit, sugar-free assorted fruit. Let's do it this way. So one strategy also that you should do is like try to clean the title of your product, because what you get is the title on Amazon that is optimized for search on Amazon, which may not be the title that is on other products. So what you can always do is whenever you open it up, because it's pulling the product, it's pulling the title from Amazon, right? Just clean up the name of the product, and sometimes, you know. Okay, so we have discounts on order. See volume discounts. I'm just going to check volume discounts. Okay, interesting. So we can get 10% off, but it's not going to be enough. We need to get this at a way cheaper price. We can sell at $39. Yeah, it's. I mean, okay, so let's say that we were to order $6,000. We get 20% off. We get these at $699. 20% off. We get these at $5.95. Yeah, it's not profitable. Let's keep going. What is this? That's interesting. $48 on Sephora. I would need something a little bit cheaper. Yeah, I would need something cheaper. Let me see. I mean, I can get 5% off, 45.60 with auto replenish. That's not really going to, yeah, that's going to be hard to make it work. That, yeah, too high. Well, let's see. Let's see. We never know. 200 sales a month. That's not bad. That looks like something that could be on Vitacast. Let me see. iHerb, 459. Boom. Here we go. Do we have our profitable product? No. Oh wait, yes we do. FBA we do. Yeah. No, I have the results in the yens. I don't know the. I don't really know the conversion. You can get 10% off. Okay, let me pause this and let me try to get the VPN sorted up. All right, we are cooking. So, 30 package for 164. Them at 540 on Vitacast. Told you guys that these were going to be on Vitacast. On Vitacast, we're going to cook with these. It's 8 ounce, right? 8 ounce. Here we go. By the way, konjac is trash. I tried in the past. It really tastes bad. But like, that's not the point, right? We just want to make money. We get 20% off. So 459 times 0.80. Boom. We get these at 367, right? 367 FBA. We are cooking. FBM is not really going to work. FBA. We are cooking. 37% return on investment. Price is pretty stable. Price could tank, right? Price could go back to this, right? Oh, wait, actually. It was still sitting at 12 something at that point. Yeah. 3 profitable products, 7 minutes in, right? Okay, so maybe we took a little bit longer because I had some issues with my VPN. But we have 1 profitable product. Should we keep going? Let's find a second one. Let's see if this one is profitable or not. Amazon is selling on this one. See that orange line? Amazon is selling. You know what? These, I found these over and over again, like stuff to fix like these shit. I've never really been able to find them profitably. Let me see. I've never really looked too deep into it. And we just did 427. 427, that's profit. Here we go. So 2 profitable products in less than 10 minutes, right? Yeah, we're cooking. Yeah, that's great. So, yeah, guys, you see how easy it is, like literally, right? It's not complicated. Get Arbitrage Stalker. Get your free trial. I don't know what else to tell you. I'll see you in the next one.